Today we're going to reveal the secret to the softest, lightest and fluffiest Hokkaido milk buns that you have ever tasted. Well, many people thought that it's difficult to get the soft and light texture of a bun without using a bread softener. But if you follow my recipe carefully, you don't need a bread softener, and you will still get the softest, lightest and fluffiest Hokkaido milk buns that you have ever tasted. So, let's get started.
First of all, you will need to prepare the ingredients for the starter, also known as Tang Zong. Then, prepare the ingredients as shown for the bread dough. Now, let's make the starter. Cook your bread flour with water over low heat and whisk until thick. Then remove from heat and set it aside. And that's your starter. On the other hand, mix your instant yeast with your milk and give it a good mix. Next, add in your eggs, sugar, salt, milk powder, bread flour, and lastly, the cooked starter into the mixer, and start mixing at low-medium speed. Here I'm using a dough hook to mix in a stand mixer. If you have a bread maker at home, just throw the ingredients into the bread maker and it should do the trick. Once everything is well combined, add in your butter and mix the dough until shiny. Now, when your dough is smooth and stretchy, then you know it's ready. At this point, you can transfer your dough into a clean bowl and cover it up with a plastic foam. Give it some time and let it rest for about 60 minutes, and it should rise and double up its size. After about an hour, punch the dough to release the air, and then start shaping your buns. Lightly flour the surface, then divide the dough equally into 16 pieces. Now here I'm making mini buns, but if you like bigger buns, you can always divide it into 9 pieces instead of 16 pieces of dough, depending on your preference. Just tuck the edges into the middle, then roll it into a ball shape. Next, place the shaped buns into a greased baking tray. Then let it rest in the baking tray in room temperature for another 60 minutes. After an hour, our dough has risen well. Now it's time to bake. Pop the tray into the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Voila! It's so soft, so light and so fluffy, and it's so good to eat even on its own. Oh, just look at those pillows' soft and fluffy texture. Try it yourself. I promise you won't regret it. If you like my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.